Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Jay Manasalindu from EC department. I'm pursuing BTech first year. Now, explaining my topic is voltage and current relations in star connection and subject name network analysis. Now, explaining my topic is voltage and current relations in star connection. You can see here, first slide question. Develop the voltage and current relations in three-phase balanced circuit of star connection. You can see here, develop the voltage and current relations in three-phase balanced circuit of star connection. It means in three-phase diagram, how to balance circuit of star connection. See here, current and voltage relations in three-phase diagram, how to connect the star connection. You can see here, for voltage, current and relations in star connection. You can see here the diagram, IB, IB, IR. Now current passing through the IL in star connection and the current passed through the diagram. You can see here diagram now explaining the topic. Let ER, EY and EB the phase voltages and R equal to EPH. You can see her first slide. ER, EY, EB is equals to EPH. Now see in diagram ER, EY, EB is equals to EPH. ER, EY, EYB and EVR are the line voltages and are equal to the E line. So the line voltages are. Now you can see here diagram ER, EYB the, and EY are the line voltages. See diagram ER, EBY in the line voltages. Now ERY is equals to ER minus EV. EYB is equals to EY minus EB. EVR is equals to EB minus ER. Now see in diagram ERY means, now ERY means by passing through the current, ERY means ER minus EB. EYB means EY by EB. EBR means EB minus ER. ERY means, now we can see diagram, EBR means EB minus ER. Now current passing through the EBR means EYB, EB minus ER. EYB means EY minus EB. ERY minus ERY is equals to ER minus EY. See her diagram. Now do it the problem from the voltage diagram in Fig B. In figure diagram, Fig B, the voltage and currents, the relations. Now you can start the problem. ERY is equals to root of ER square plus EY square plus 2ER EY cos 60. Now it explain, now formula indicate the ERY is equals to ER square plus EYR square plus 2ER EY cos 60. Cos 60 degrees is equals to root of EP square H plus EPH square 2 EPH into EBH of how to ERY is equals to root of ER square means, now see diagram ERY is equals to, see figure B diagram and about the problem solvation. From the vector diagram in figure below, ERY is equals to ER square minus EP square H. EY square means EPH square. 2ER means 2EPH. Cos 60 means half. Means root of EP square H plus EPH square plus 2EPH into EPH half is equals to root of 3EPH square. 3EPH square means square root 3 dot EPH. ERY is equals to root 3 into EPH. Similarly, EBR is equals to EYB root 3 EPH. Now see diagram. EBR mean is equals to EYB. EBR is equals to EYB means చూద్దాం. EBR is equals to E by B. Now you can solve the problem. EBR is equals to E by B. Now do it the problem. You can solve and the similarly to the voltages. Now see here. Similarly, EBR minus EYB is equals to root 3 EPH. So EBR is equals to EYB. ERY is equals to E line. E line means you can see the first slide. You can see ER is equals to EY is equals to EB is equals to EPH. Now, similar to the voltage solvation, so also E line. So the line voltages are equal to the E line. Now see the problem for solvation. EBR is equals to EYB is equals to ERY is equals to E line. You can see her before slide. E line means ERYB, EBR, E by B is equals to ERY is equals to E line. Means the line voltages are equal. E line is equals to root 3 into EPH. In balanced star connected system, each line is connected in series. Now you can see here in first slide, series connection. The voltage and the current relations are in series connection. In balanced the star connected system, each line is connected in series with its phase windings. So the line current is equal to the phase current. I line is equals to IPH. In star connected system, V line root 3 VPH, I line is equals to IPH. Thank you.